Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,